Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1912, William and Mary reopened for its 219th session. Ewell Hall and the Brafferton had been recently remodeled and were being used as dormitories, complete with steam heat, electric light, and running water in each room. The improvements were seen as an investment to attract more students. This week in 1918, William and Mary began its 226th year with one major change. For the first time ever, women were admitted to the old college, and enrollment was the largest in its history. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.